Okay, so if you really want to get to see more options for pasting after copying, then instead of using Control V, you should be using Control Alt V, right? So you press down Control key. At the same time, while holding down your Control key, you are going to press the Alt key, and then while holding both of them, you will now press the letter V on your keyboard. So if I copy this now, I will go to my pasting cell, my guinea pig pasting cell, and I'm going to press Control Alt and letter V. That's going to give me the paste special dialog box. Right now, with this paste special dialog box, you see that I have a whole lot of options to use. We've seen how to paste with formulas. We saw how to paste with values. There is pasting with formats. There is pasting with comments and notes. There is pasting with validation. Data validation is one of the things we are going to learn in the course. You also see some interesting ones like pasting to multiply, divide, add, subtract, and even you can see paste with transpose as well. So for example, right, so I could use this, say I want to multiply everybody's salary by, let's say, by 2, for example, right? So all of these numbers, I just want to multiply all the numbers by 2. What I will simply do is I will come to a cell and I'm going to type 2 there. Then I'm going to copy that cell, right? So Control C to copy the 2. Then I will highlight the range of places, or maybe if it's just a single one, but in most cases, when you are doing this for a range of cells. So I highlight my range of cells that way. And because I have copied 2, I really don't want to paste the 2. What I really want to do is, to paste times 2, right? More or less like saying I want to multiply this range of cells by the 2. I'm not really pasting the 2 per se. So after highlighting this range of cells now, I'm now going to press Control Alt V. Then I will select multiply. So the kind of pasting I'm doing right now is not to paste the 2, but I want to use the 2 as a multiplication factor on the range of cells that I have selected. So if I click OK, now you see that all the numbers have been doubled. Okay, now if I ask you, in the event where, for example, all the numbers happen to be negative and you want to convert all of those negative numbers into positive numbers, one very quick way for you to do something like that is this method I just showed you, right? So I'm going to use the same method to convert all of these numbers into negative numbers, and I'm going to use the same method to convert them back into positive numbers, right? So the simple trick is you are going to make this your cell, your factor cell to be -1. Then I can go there, copy the -1, highlight my range of cells, and then Control Alt V, and then I will select multiply, and I'm going to click OK. Right? So you see all of the numbers are now negative numbers, right? So if this were to be their original states, they are negative numbers, and I'm trying to convert them into positive numbers, I will just follow the same procedure. Put -1 somewhere, copy the -1, highlight my range of cells, press Control Alt V, multiply, and OK.